Hi everyone, it's Emmy. Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make this slime. And you only need 4 ingredients. So let's go in the kitchen and I'll show you how we made it. So I got this recipe from the Ultimate Book of Kid Concoctions, and this is called Gooey Gunk. So I only had 1 bottle of glue on hand, so I have this recipe. So begin by emptying an entire bottle of glue into a bowl, and then fill up the empty bottle with water. Add about 8 drops of food coloring. We decided to make purple, so we added 4 red and 4 blue. Cap the glue bottle and give the water a good shake to rinse out the glue, and then add that to your bowl of glue and food coloring. Give everything a good stir. So in a bowl, add 1/2 cup plus 1/6 cup of hot water. To that, we're going to add 2 teaspoons of borax, and then you're going to stir until it's completely dissolved. Then comes the fun part. Just pour in your glue mixture into your borax solution and you'll start making slime. So pull out the gunk and give it a good knead and you're ready to play. Look at it.
It's like jellyfish.
Yeah, it's just like a jellyfish. I also experimented to see if this would blow bubbles, and it does.
Look, polar bear prints.
Yeah, those are nice. You can actually see his claws.
Look.
Ooh, that's pretty deep.
Look.
That's cool.
Grasshopper.
Grasshopper, okay.
Grasshopper.
Hi, grasshopper. Oh, that's cool. Look, you can see his abdomen. That's awesome. So I have to say, I'm going to be trying some other slime recipes, because while this is stretchy and fun, it's a little brittle for me. Yeah, it's a really fun concoction still, but not quite the consistency I was looking for. I'm going to try out some other recipes as well, so look for those in the future. At any rate, this stuff is really fun stuff. My son really enjoyed stamping his animal toys into this, and we talked a little bit about prints and tracks. So yeah, there's lots of room for exploration and learning. So let me know in the comments below your slime advice. Favorite recipes, favorite memories, favorite smells, textures, let me know because I want to know more about slime. I used to always buy this out of the gumball machine when I was a kid. 50 cents and you get a tiny little piece that could glow. This cost about like $1, $1.50. So definitely economical and tons of fun to make and to play with. All right, happy crafting. See you next time, bye. It smells fruity, I wouldn't say mango. And then there's that little gelatinous kind of cube floating in there. I think that might be young coconut inside, I'm not sure. Alright, let's give that a taste. Here we go.